So the other thing that you would have to pay some on is property taxes. Now in Florida, the property taxes are paid in arrears, meaning that right now, actually in March right now, property taxes are due.
Yep.
And they're due for 2020. So they're paid in arrears. But when you're purchasing a house, you're going to get a credit. If you're buying it right now, you would get a credit from the seller in regards to the amount of the time that they lived in the property, and they would give that to you. But if you have an escrow account with a bank that has the loan, they're going to require that they have a little bit extra. And usually it's about 3 months extra of property tax that they want to have in that escrow account. So they have plenty of money to pay when the time comes for them to pay. So what they're going to do is that at the closing, and part of your closing costs are that they are going to have 2.5, 3.5, somewhere thereabouts, months of property taxes in order to close. So that's another closing expense that you're going to have. And as a seller, it's another closing expense that happens too, because that seller has to, they would have had that expense regardless because they lived in that house and owned it then, but they have to give that credit to the buyer for the property tax for the amount of time a year that they've lived in it.